Hey everyone, how guys are doing? I think you are doing good enough and you are enjoying the weekend. So today I would like to more focusing on submission and how submission is working in RIM. And as we have last day discussed about data model of regulatory information management system, so today I can detail I can share mostly detail of submission feature and submission overview. So with that note, I'm starting the slide for today's and who are watching my Viva Volt recording. They I think my goal is I want to provide some value who are mostly focusing on Viva Volt and Viva Volt application. So thank you again that as you are watching my recording I'm very fast who have started his journey in YouTube, and thanks a lot. So today is our day two, and at the first and day one we have mostly discussed about Dream data model, and today we would like I am like to discuss more about submission feature and submission overview. And here, this is a flow where you can understand application has two wing. One is submission and regulatory objective, and there are other related record as well. But application, let's say you open application for a particular lead country, and this application, when you open the application, that then in application you will find a submission and reg objective. And as I already discussed, a reg objective is something which are need to achieve by submitting a submission to the health authority. So this is part of regulatory objective and submission, and this is the basic flow of submission, let's say, or submission object. Sorry. And there are a couple of point which you need to know about a submission. And submission is something which is end-to-end application, and it's designed efficient management for regulatory content, and it covers authoring, review, approval, and assembly of various submission type. And these are the key feature. And what are those? This one is content management, other one is submission template, other one is customizable data model and review workflow. And this submission is also part of whole stream. So what is content management? So content management where p-configured or p-defined document type is there, which based on the submission. So let's say submission support non-clinical study, clinical study, quality. So these are the document already defined under document type in Viva for achieving the submission purpose, right? And the submission template, what is submission template? There are some predefined structure defined in submission. Based on that, content plan need to be PPR or content plan template based on content plan template created based on that ECDT format. ECDT format is something what FDA follow, right? So ECDT format has 5 module that I can show you. Let's say what is ECDT structure. This is a ECDT structure, and this is something recommended structure that need to be used. So in ECDT you can find a 5 module, and under each module have a unique goal and unique purpose. And let's say a module 3 contain a quality document, and module 5 contain clinical study report, and module 4 contain non clinical study report. So that is how ECDT structure is like a pyramid, and each section has a unique purpose. So get back to the topic again. So this is all about ECDT, and next is customizable data model. At its store several related record. So it has a customizable data model, and review workflow offers tailored approve process to ensure compliance. That means when you submit a submission for health authority, it follows some workflow and some life cycle to achieve the goal, right? And the submission also a part of Voltrim, and it has a seamless experience. So I'm moving to the next chapter or next topic, which is you know submission feature that contain a document type, lifecycle, workflow, and advanced data model, country and market specific action, content planning, active and dossier viewer and editor, report level content plan, publishing. So submission has several features, but one of the key feature what I would like to discuss with you, that is a document type and content planning, report level content plan and publishing, and another is lifecycle and workflow. These are the important feature you can say. So what is document type? So here I took one of the screenshot from Viva support, and that is not a real case. There are some document which is include let's say clinical, non-clinical, quality, regulatory, pharmacovigilance. So these are the document type for regulatory submission uh, object is defined in Viva. So this is p-configured, you can say. So Volt offer a default document type subtype classification that align with regulatory submission requirement. This include clinical, non-clinical, quality, and regulatory. So here document type name is different, as I told. The screenshot I took for understanding purpose, but there are that defined document type is here in Vivarim. And life cycle and workflow is something, and this is a a workflow structure I have given, but in submission, let's say there are some state planning, send for health authority, authority received. So these are the life cycle we have in RIM, uh, to that this life cycle and workflow made for achieve the goal. And achieve the goal means the submission need to send to health authority, right? And this process need to be tracked and in each life cycle state, right? So that is the reason in Ream has a separate lifecycle state. Content planning. So content planning is something where publisher they can planning the content and they can upload the correct document in the each section is in each content plan item type. And in Ream submission content planning, customer now can they can use content plan feature instead of spreadsheet, because they are before they were using the spreadsheet, but now they can use the content planning to quickly create a list of all document and they expect to collect as part of a submission. For submission, let's see follow the ECTT format, and for that format we have five module as I told, and for five module have a unique document need to be fulfilled or need to be uploaded, right? So that is all part of our content planning. And if as I don't have that currently a sandbox available in my hand, then I'm not able to showing you in practical, but if anyone has that, I can directly connect with them and I can guide them how content planning structure look like. And now I'm moving to the next part, that is a report level content plan and publishing. The report level content plan is something which is publishing outside of submission. Let's say here in the content plan type, there are several content plan: quality, regional, non-clinical, clinical, summary. So report level content plan I have included as well. In the last checkbox you are seeing, you are now currently seeing that a report level plan, non-clinical and clinical, and this is made for report create publishing a report level content plan. So this is about report level content plan. And another is a publishing status indicator. Publishing status indicator is something, let's say your content plan is ready, and your content plan has a content plan item and match document, and a document also uploaded, but you will not able to but the document will not publish until unless that validation or publishing job will complete, right? So after completing the validation job, which is happening in backend in RIM, after completing that, you will get one indicator, a green sign. After seeing that, you can understand, okay, my content plan is now ready for published, or you can import the submission, right? So this is one of the key feature of publishing status indicator. And now my session already enclosed, my topic had already been in the end. Now I just have a Q&A session. So here you can ask any question if you have anything, or you can comment me if you have any question, and you can ask me in LinkedIn as well. So if anyone want to know much more things about Volt and Volt application, let's say REAM and clinical, then I can able to share my experience with them, and I want to add I also able to try to add some value to them, and also similar and vice versa, I can also get value from them. So with that note, I am finishing today's topic, and hope you guys are enjoying today's session, and I will catch up with you guys at and someday with a new content. And for now, bye bye. Have a great rest of the weekend. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.